Whatever you guys are working on in your own shop, there is a chance you will eventually need to paint something, whether it be bare metal, car or truck parts, or an entire vehicle. There are many different paint systems you can choose from for your specific application. So today we're talking paint, from single to multi-stage and what works best where. Everyone has picked up and sprayed something with a rattle can at some point. It's just about the easiest and least expensive way to get pigment on anything. Now, even though we have a professional spray booth next door, spray paint still has a place in our shop. It's a one-part system, meaning that the paint cures via air dry and no chemical reactions occur. We often use it for engine parts, interior items, and undercarriages, any surfaces that don't have direct contact with the sun. Although you can additionally spray on clear coat for extra protection. Single stage means the base and clear coat are mixed together. This was used in vehicles off the assembly line up until about 1980. Additionally, it requires the use of a catalyst to promote the curing process. We utilize single stage on Project RedTide, where our Victory Red required an activator and hardener to make it more durable and provide a high film build. Because single stage paint is a one-step process requiring no additional clear coat, it makes it more cost-effective and a quicker process altogether. Many restoration shops also use single stage to mimic and try to reproduce the old classics we all love. Lastly is a two-stage paint system. This typically means a base coat for the first and a clear coat for the second stage. Now, the base coat does not provide any strength or durability. It's applied for color coverage only. The clear coat is the second stage, which is strictly applied for strength, durability, and shine. The base coat can be a one-part air drying cure, while the clear coat is a two-part requiring a hardener or catalyst for the curing process. Base coat clear coat systems are often used especially when spraying metallics. This allows you to spray the base properly to ensure the metal flakes stand up and eliminate blotching. This one can be one of the more labor-intensive and expensive processes. As you could tell, there are many different paint systems out there. Each one has its own pros and cons, but all work great when applied correctly. So when choosing the right paint for your project, refer to your local automotive paint supplier and they'll be happy to point you in the right direction. So hopefully all this will help you to begin your research in choosing which process will best suit your needs.